Hey guys, now we are enlightening about PDF Escape reviews and product details. First of all, you have to know about what is PDF Escape. PDF Escape is a totally free and open source online PDF reader and editor as well as a PDF form filler with features for PDF form design. PDF Escape offers users a new way to open and edit PDF files online. It allows for a much better PDF software experience by using the original document file format, allowing users to not be constrained by typical software requirements. Due to the fact that its PDF editor can be accessed online, PDF Escape only requires a modern internet browser and an active internet connection. Now we are discussing about online PDF reader. Natively open PDF documents in your preferred web browser. Manipulate PDF pages with zooming and rotation features for an optimal viewing experience. Copy PDF text to your clipboard by selecting your desired content. Easily search PDF text for specific keywords and terms with ease. Gives you the ability to save, download and print all the PDF documents. Provide users with thumbnail, bookmark and link support features and functionality. Now we are going to discuss about online PDF editor. Gives you the option to add text, shapes, whiteout and the other annotations to PDF files. Crops, rotate, shift, move, delete and insert PDF files to create more custom files. Easily create links to multiple PDF files or other types of web content. Edit PDF information tags to help with identification. Encrypt PDF content with password protection features. Add additional images to PDF forms and documents. Sign PDF documents using scanned and imported signatures. Now we are going to discuss about PDF form filler. Fill out PDF forms using pre-existing form fields or by using a text tool. PDF field calculation and formatting features are supported. PDF text, checkbox, radio, list and drop-down fields are available and supported. Basic PDF field design and styling properties supported. Allow users to quickly jump from field to field using tabs. Now we are going to discuss about PDF form designer. Create and add new PDF form fields to any existing PDF file. Style PDF form fields with text, color, size features. Modify existing PDF form fields to suit custom documents. Fully supports checkbox, radio, drop-down, list box, text, submit button and reset button fields are all in PDF files. Submit buttons are able to be created to be compatible with PDF Escape. Ultimate publishing features. PDF Escapes also offer many other features as a PDF editor including RAD options, PDF merging and some of the functionality are listed below. PDF Escape additional features are PDF annotator, premium desktop features, ultimate desktop features, webmaster tools, additional publishing features, volume licensing and many more.